doll. Hello, I'm Petit Qoobo. See, I'm much smaller than my daddy. So, my family can carry me around anywhere. When she's working and when she's just chilling, I can always comfort her with my tail. I get the urge to wag my tail when I hear sounds.
Good night, Qoobo.
I think the sound of my heartbeat is comforting to her. Ah! Phew! I don't do well with loud noises. See you soon, Petit Qoobo.
Curry won't try to destroy civilization as we know it, or send out a death ray that paralyzes an entire city, or rise up and enslave humankind under some robot rule.
Curry, why are you watching this stuff?
Because Curry isn't like any other robot, and that is a very, very good thing.
我可蓝色。
Who is the cool robot? Yes, he is HolaBot, a collecting robot integrated safety, intelligence, and large capacity. So, how does he work? So many big and heavy dishes. Just call him. Look, here he comes. Before he arrives, you can focus on clearing the table. HolaBot can accurately detect obstacles and automatically avoid them. Now he reminds you that he has arrived. When approaching you, he will send an arrival notice to the calling pager. Call his name, and HolaBot will aim the loading bin at you. The dishes will be returned. Where is he going? He will go to the second and third calling points. HolaBot can respond to the multiple requests in turn and go to destinations. HolaBot has finished the load and goes to the dishwashing room. HolaBot will inform you when arriving the dishwashing room. Get all the dishes. Don't touch it with your hands. Just pass across the head sensor from a distance. He will return to the waiting area. This is HolaBot, a powerful collecting robot with 60 kilograms loading weight and quadruple efficiency of a waiter. No matter in a coffee shop, a hospital, or a restaurant, HolaBot will quickly respond to your every call.
At Bear Robotics, we've designed a deployment process tailor-made to any business, with an intuitive approach to installation and a superior level of customer support. From the moment we unbox your product, we'll begin building out an integration plan that's custom-made to your specific service environment and workflow. We will work shoulder to shoulder with your management and staff, instructing each team member on the various ways they can put our robots to work. Then, we'll fine-tune service and performance points to ensure your robot is able to navigate with precision. After installation, we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, via live chat or our customer service line. We also provide regular maintenance and analytics to ensure you're getting the absolute most from our automation solution. At Bear Robotics, we believe automation should make your life easier, and we hold ourselves to that standard through every stage of the process. If you're ready to see firsthand how our superior service will set you up for success, give us a call.